to get rid of in his next few tries. Okay. Nyjah Huston on deck.
He's got a good play with. He's hyped on his song. Dude, he is so good. He saw the kickflip backlip, saw that it got scored good. Nobody else would ever step to that, but his tricks are so good, his skill's so high, he's like, hey, I'll do a kickflip backlip too. And if anybody can kickflip backlip that thing, it's Nyjah. Look how good he did it. Dare I say he did it better than Kelvin? He didn't do it first, though.
Same trick, maybe the same amount of points, because it was done to perfection. 9 Club Nyjah. 9.0.
There's a lot of 9 Club shields being flashed on the Jumbotron.